years, it's been my passion, my purpose, and my mission to help people just like you overcome fears of aging, physical limitations, and health challenges by empowering them through exercise and nutrition. So today, join me taking deep breaths in and out as I share this passion and purpose with you on the mat through the Yoga 6 flow. Join me in a comfortable seat, whether it's legs crossed or kneeling on your knees, and let's take a few minutes to center. So place your hands on your knees, draw your chin in, close your eyes, and let's just take some natural breaths in through the nose, exhaling, opening the mouth. And just feel yourself here on your mat, in this room, in this space. Feeling how your breath fills you up. Feel how the exhale breath, the HA breath, softens and centers you. Taking another natural breath in through your nose. And a long exhale through the mouth, releasing any worries, any fears, any tension. On your next inhale, place hands to heart center. Allow the eyes to bow to the heart, lifting the heart up, and set an intention for this practice. Maybe it's just a heartfelt prayer for a loved one. Seal it in on your next exhale. Release the hands, open the eyes, and let's find child's pose and create our breath, ujjayi breath. Knees wide, toes together, sink the hips back, take an inhale, and let the tongue rest on the roof of the mouth as you exhale, constricting the breath. Reaching forward, inhale, letting the heart lift, and exhale, ujjayi breath, victorious breath, creating some heat in the body. One more time, breath in, pressing finger pads in, drawing shoulder blades back. Exhale, pulling belly in and tucking tailbone. Your next inhale, slide the hands under the shoulders. Align the knees with the wrists. Spread the fingers wide and roll the elbows in. Curl the toes under if that feels best for you, or uncurl them. And we'll take another inhale, neutral spine. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, drop the head, press through finger pads, spread shoulder blades. Inhale, let the belly drop. Relax the shoulders back. Eyes gaze forward, heart shines forward with the breath in. Exhale, drop tailbone, navel pulls up, separating shoulder blades, head heavy, shake it out. One more breath in to lift the tailbone, let the belly drop, and slide shoulders back. On your exhale, chin to chest, ribs pressing to the spine, curl tailbone, shift the hips back, walk the hands forward, one handprint, and then pull the hips back, downward facing dog. Inhale through the nose, exhale, ujjayi breath. Lifting heels, bending knees as you inhale. Exhale, heart sinking toward mat, chest to thighs, head heavy. Another breath in, pressing through the big knuckles of each hand. And exhale, pressing back through the big knuckles of the feet, the toes, stretching spine long. Inhale, right leg lifts to the sky, press through. Look forward, shift forward, shoulders over wrists, knee pulling up, step forward, placing the right foot. Let the fingertips reach back and find the squareness of the hips. Inhale, rise up to crescent warrior. Let the shoulders drop as you sink lower. Inhale, open chest, eyes gazing up, maybe bend elbows. Exhale, straighten arms and press through the back heel. One more breath in, preparing you to move. And on the exhale, transitioning, squaring pelvis, gazing over front fingertips, sink your front knee forward, aligned over heel. warrior two. Take another breath in, tailbone dropping down, belly in, shoulders relax. Exhale all your air. Inhale, find your space on the mat. Exhale, find your place in the space. On the inhale, let's hinge forward, reach up, exhale, side angle pose. You can always extend arm over if that feels great for you, or keep reaching up. Take another breath. Feel the length of the side body. Open up the undercarriage. Inhale, exhale. On the next inhale, let's transition, lengthen through the side body, exalted warrior, extended side angle. Take another breath. Relax that front shoulder. Exhale, cartwheel, hands to the floor. Frame your front foot. Step back, high plank. Roll on the tippy toes forward, elbows in toward the ribs. Chaturanga. Come to your knees if that feels better for you. Roll the shoulders back. Lift the heart. Lift the corners of your mouth. And exhale, downward facing dog. Walk the hands back, one hand distance. Take a breath. Exhale, sink a little deeper into the posture. Feel the ribs pulling back and in as the hip creases draw back, spreading sits bones. Inhale, press the index finger knuckles into the mat, spread fingers wide. Exhale, shoulders glide back toward hips. Another breath in, preparing you to go deeper into your downward dog. Inhale, left leg lifts to the sky. Look forward, shift forward, exhale. Step forward. Square your hips, light on the fingertips, reach back, open the chest first. Then glide the arms up as you take a breath in. Lift up slightly to sink down deeper on the exhale breath. Inhale, press through back foot. Exhale, press through front foot, open up. One more breath in, a long breath out. Where can you soften just a little bit? And where can you strengthen and feel stronger? On the next inhale, transition warrior two, square hips, watch your back heel, check your front and knee alignment as you shift into your warrior two. Press into the little toe side of the back foot. Exhale, reach over the front fingers, gaze. Take another breath in, tailbone dropping, belly in. Exhale, go a little deeper in your pose. Equal weight front to back foot. The next inhale, open up, side body lengthens, shoulder drops. Breath in, pull the chin in, eyes can gaze forward or down over your shoulder. Strong through both legs. Take an inhale as you transition, cartwheel hands to the mat, square your hips, step back, high plank. Again, you have the options to be on your toes or knees, shift forward, roll shoulders back, chaturanga hold, uncurl toes, upward facing dog. Take an inhale, shine your heart, pull hips forward. Press into hands, curl back, downward facing dog, walk the dog. Take a breath in and out. Let any extra heat come out of the mouth or stay with your victorious breath. Lift heels, inhale, exhale, crease from the hips, heart shifting toward the thighs. Another deep breath in, a long breath out. Find stillness, find strength in this pose. One more breath. Right leg lifts, take a breath in. Find more length, pulling up through the left hip crease, reaching the right toes, shift forward. Nose to knee, take a breath, step forward. Again, square hips off, shoulders reach back, open up the chest, and then transition, stack the spine, reach up, inhale, exhale, soften, deepen. Push through the back heel, press the front heel, pull up through the heart, inhale, lift the corners of your mouth, Feel the energy from earth to heavens. One more breath. On the inhale, transition, warrior two, legs straight, square up your hips, and then shift into the front knee. Settle into this, soften. Breathe in, breathe out. Go a little deeper into this warrior two, second time. Breath in. Take the front heel, scrub it to the front of your mat. Exhale, press into the pinky toe side of your back foot. Inhale, side angle pose. Feel length all the way through the upper part of the torso. Put your hand behind the head. Push your head back for a moment. Check your alignment out, then lengthen back up. Maybe hinge deeper, fingertips down to the mat. Pull the chin in. Take a breath. Pressing through the front foot. Reverse your warrior. Sink, soften. Inhale, exhale. Draw hip bones up, ribs pressing down. Inhale, cartwheel the exhale breath. Reach the right leg back. Strong, long line for your chaturanga. Elbows raise ribs. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Take an inhale, find your place here. Walk hands back 1 hand distance, soften knees, and pull hip creases back. Now press the heels. Find the muscles pushing into the thigh bones pressing back. Lift the toes and then relax them. Take a breath in. Exhale it out. Left leg lifts on the inhale, pressing toes, reaching toes, stretching through the leg, pressing into the finger pads. Find more length. Then shift, shoulders over wrists, pull knee in and up. Place your foot between your hands. Square everything up. Lift the head, lift the heart, reach the hands back, and then stretch it up. Inhale, breath. Push through the front heel, and then sink down into it. Let the collarbones open up a little bit as you pull arms back, eyes gazing up. Take a breath in. Press firmly into the back ball of the foot, heel lifted high. Open up into warrior two, straight legs to push the back heel, bend the front knee, soften shoulders, reach, feel expansive. Take another inhale, exhale, now feel softened. Side angle pose, pivot from the hips, find north and south, open up, hand behind the head, realign head and shoulders, and then lengthen up. On the next exhale, pull hip crease back and go a little deeper. Inhale, exhale. On your next inhale, press through the front heel, reverse warrior, inhale, breath. Exhale, pull tail down. Inhale, a little more bend, open up the front of the body. Exhale, cartwheel hands down to the floor, high plank. This is your last chaturanga. Feel long and strong, belly pulled in, squeeze thighs together. Lower down slowly as you exhale, all the way to the mat. Roll the shoulders back and push back to your child's pose. Hold for a moment, soften the spine, soften the shoulders, soften the fingers. Take another inhale. As you exhale, roll up nice and slow. Crossing at the ankles, shift your hips back. Extend the legs forward. Find the center of your mat, hold behind the thighs, and roll down nice and slow. You can bring your knees with you if you like. Bring one knee or both knees, hugging knees to chest. Release feet to the ground. Arms extended out. Wiggle the shoulder blades under. Extend the right leg long to the right corner of the mat, left leg long. Place your hands on your belly and take a breath in. Feel like a balloon rising, and then exhale, sink it down. Bring hands to the side of the ribs. Inhale, expand the ribs. Exhale, knit them together. Let the belly drop. Lastly, bring left hand on heart, right hand on top. Breathe belly, ribs, and heart space. Fill your vessel up completely. And then empty belly, ribs, heart softens, hands slide off the body and out to the sides, palm facing up. Roll the head to the left. Come back through center, chin toward heart. Roll the head to the right. Back to center, chin toward heart. Take this last few breaths to relax the skin from the muscles. Breathe in through the nose. Fill your vessel up completely. Exhale, allow the muscles to release from the bones. On the next inhale breath, feel the air touching your skin on your front body. And as you exhale, head heavy, shoulders heavy, rib cage, hips, thighs, back of calves to heels. Feel total support on your mat, in this room, in this community. Allow yourself a few more minutes to enjoy the sensations of complete rest, Shavasana. After a few more moments, we'll come out of Shavasana by bending the knees. Roll to whatever side feels most natural for you. Let your hand be the pillow. Eyes remain closed. As you take a breath in, extend the top leg. Push the hand in front of the chest down to the earth. Let your head stay low, below the heart. And then slowly, let's come back to the seat that we started in our practice. Keeping the eyes closed, hands resting, but now palms facing up. Feel the energy that's exuding from your body as you feel grounded, safe, and secure in your space. Bringing the hands to heart center. Let's honor the intention that you set for your practice. Breathe it in one more time. And on this exhale, let's open the hands, open the eyes, and share your beautiful light with everybody. Thank you so much for allowing me to guide you in this practice. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste. And that's it.